Can you see the screen, ma? Screen is visible. Students.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Our subject algebra and number theory. Subject code MA 8551. Okay. Now let's start from the third unit. Okay. Unit 3, divisibility theory and canonical decomposition. Okay, let's start from the third unit. Third unit topic, divisibility theory and canonical decomposition. Okay, let's see the definition of the division algorithm. Division algorithm, that is nothing but suppose that on integer a, okay, a is on integer. Now integer is divided by a positive integer b, okay, that is a divided by b. Okay, a is the some integer, then b is the positive integer. Okay, so a is divided by a positive integer b, then we get a unique q. Okay, q is nothing but that is the quotient. Okay, quotient, and on here remainder unique, that is r. Okay, mama, already we know that all. Okay, q is the quotient and remainder r. Okay, where the remainder satisfies the condition 0 less than or equal to r less than b. A is the dividend on b, that is the divisor. B be the divisor. Okay, mama. That is the division algorithm. Definition of the division algorithm. Suppose that on integer a is divided by a positive integer b, then we get a unique q, that is the quotient, and on a remainder r, where the remainder satisfies the condition. Okay, 0 less than or equal to r less than b. A is the dividend on b, be the divisor. Okay, it is the definition of the division algorithm. Okay, mama. Let's see the theorem of the division algorithm. Okay, it's not there is some mistake, mass. It's not steps, statement. Okay, statement of the division algorithm. Okay, theorem, the division algorithm. Okay, statement. Let a be a any integer. Okay, let a be a any integer and b is a positive integer. Then there exists a unique integer q and or such that a equal to bq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to or less than b. Okay, already we seen the definition of the algorithm. Okay, now it is the statement of the division algorithm, that is nothing but, and already we know that a be a integer and b be a positive integer. Okay, if the conditions is satisfied, it is the division algorithm. Okay, then there exists unique integer q and r such that a is equal to pq plus r, where 0 less than or equal to, okay, that is the r lies between the interval 0 to b. Okay, mama. அதாவது ஏங்கிறது ஒரு integer, bங்கிறது ஒரு positive integer, then we have to prove, okay, that is the unique integer q on r such that a equal to bq plus r. அதுதான் நம்ம proof பண்ணணும். Okay, mama. ஏங்கிறது ஒரு integer, bங்கிறது positive integer. Okay, that is the if condition. Then we have to prove a equal to bq plus r. Okay, that is the proof. The proof consists of two parts. Okay, now we are going to, the proof consists of two parts, that is the existence proof and uniqueness proof. Okay, mama, ரெண்டு proof பண்ண போறோம். Okay வா, two parts வந்து இது proof பண்ணலாம். ஒன்னு வந்து existence and then second one uniqueness proof. Okay, now we are going to the first proof, existence of proof. Okay, existence proof. Let s equal to, okay, s equal to, that is the set. Screen தெரியுதுலமா, புரியுதா students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, existence proof. Okay, first proof on the existence proof. Okay, first take care. Okay, let us consider this set S. Okay, S equal to a minus b into n. Okay, a we know that is the integer, b is a positive integer, such that n is belongs to z. Z என்கிறது என்னமா? In number, is that equal to
integers?
Integers. Okay, so n belongs to z, and a minus bn is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so let us consider the s equal to some set a minus bn such that n belongs to z and a minus bn is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, then we clearly s is contained in w. What is w? W ங்கிறது என்னமா?
Whole numbers.
Whole numbers. Okay, okay, so s is contained in w. Okay, so now we are going to prove, that is to prove s contains a least element. Okay, s contains a least element. First we have to prove s is non-empty subset of w. Okay, எல்லாமே தியரமா நம்மளே படிக்கிற மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஓகேவா? To prove s contains a least element, that is to prove, first we have to prove s is not empty subset of w. Okay, so case 1. Okay, now we have considered here case 1 and case 2. Okay, first case, suppose a is greater than or equal to 0, then a equal to a minus b into 0. Okay, that is belongs to s. Okay, s ங்கிறது என்னமா? That is a one of set. Okay, so a equal to a minus b into 0 belongs to s. Okay, so s contains an element. Okay, s contains an element. It is the case 1. Okay, case 1 is suppose a is greater than or equal to 0, then s contains an element. Okay, then case 2, suppose a is less than 0. A is less than 0 since that is b belongs to z plus. Okay, b belongs to z plus, then b is greater than or equal to 1. Now here b is greater than or equal to 1, then multiply by a on both sides, then a into b less than or equal to a. Okay, since a is must be less than 0. Okay, example I given this side. Okay, right side ma paathukonga. Then if we multiply by minus a, okay, then minus a into b, that is greater than or equal to minus a. Okay, then a minus ab is greater than or equal to 0. So a minus ab is belongs to s. Okay, now already சொல்லிருக்காங்கமா s contain இது whole number சொல்லலாமா? Clearly s contained in w வந்து including the 0. Okay, so s contains some. Therefore, a minus ab belongs to s. Okay. So, in both cases, s contained at least one element. Okay, எதுவுமே element இல்லாம இல்ல. Okay, s contains at least one element. Therefore, s is non-empty subset of w. Okay. Then s contain at least element r. Okay, at least element r. Since r belongs to s on integer q, exists such that r is equal to a minus bq, where r is greater than or equal to 0. புரியுதாமா? எக்ஸாம்பிள் இங்க இருக்கு, பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஓகேவா? கேஸ் 1 and case 2. Okay, then we are going to prove this by contradiction. Okay, இதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா எடுத்து நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகேவா? Same, to show that r is less than b. Okay, to show that r is less than b, to prove this by contradiction. Okay, let us take r is greater than or equal to b. Okay, அதாவது நம்ம என்ன ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா r is less than b ப்ரூவ் பண்ணணும். பட் என்ன பண்ணணும், கான்ட்ரடிக்ஷன்னா அதுக்கு ஆப்போசிட்டா எடுத்து நம்ம ப்ரூவ் பண்ண போறோம். ஓகே, so let us take r is greater than or equal to b. Okay, r is greater than or equal to b. r ங்கிறது என்னமா?
Reminder.
Remainder. Okay, then also r is belongs to, okay, see the previous, since r is belongs to s on integer q, exists such that r equal to a minus bq. Okay, that is the equation number 1. Okay, now here just to take on the contradiction, let us take r is greater than or equal to b, then r minus b is greater than or equal to 0, but r equal to a bq. Okay, from 1, okay, r equal to a bq, okay, minus b. Okay, minus b. Now substitute r value in the equation number 2. Okay, R value substitute in the equation number 1. Okay, from 1 ல இருந்து என்ன பண்ணும், R value வந்து equation 2 ல substitute பண்ணுங்க. Okay, then that is R minus B is greater than or equal to 0. R ங்கிறது என்னப்பா, ABQ minus B. Okay, that is greater than or equal to 0. Then R minus B is that is equal to A minus B into Q plus 1 is of the form A minus Bn is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, simplify பண்ணனுமா, ஓகேவா? B வந்து காமனா எடுத்து B into Q plus 1, it is of the form A minus Bn is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, then again simplify, that is AB into, okay, AB into Q plus 1 is belongs to S. Okay, so R minus B is, it belongs to S ingrappa, that is the R minus B is belongs to S. Okay, so B is greater than 0 and R minus B is less than R. Okay, example எல்லாமே சைடுல இருக்குமா, ஓகேவா?
Okay.
This contradicts our choice of our least element. Okay, so R is less than B.
Okay.
Sorry mom, 1 minute. Sorry ma'am. Okay, now this contradicts our choice of R. Okay, that is the least element, so R is less than B. Okay, then there are Q and R such that A equal to BQ plus R. Okay, இது புரியுதாமா, இல்ல அப்படின்னா நான் வேற மெத்தட்ல வேணா உங்களுக்கு சொல்றேன். I will share you the clear notes. Okay, பாருங்க, இது புரியலன்னா கேளுங்கம்மா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். Students, voice is audible, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Contradiction புரியுதாப்பா? Students, any doubt? No? Contradiction in the புரியுதாப்பா? Simplify பண்ணது?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to the next uniqueness proof. Okay, the theorem uniqueness proof la pannu. Okay, to prove the integers Q and R unique. Okay, the integers Q and R unique. Okay, previous proof on the existence. Okay, existence of the theorem. Okay, it is the uniqueness theorem. Okay, the integer Q and R unique. Let A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay, then we know that R lies between the interval 0 to B. Okay, now let here consider A is equal to BQ plus R. Then now A is equal to, okay, then B into Q dash. Okay, Q dash, that is the quotient. Consider here Q dash. Okay, Q dash plus R dash. Then R dash lies between the interval 0 to B. Okay, first let us consider A equal to BQ plus R. Then quotient Q dash, that is A equal to BQ dash plus R dash. Okay, so assume here Q is greater than or equal to Q dash. Okay, Q is greater than or equal to Q dash. Then R dash minus R. Okay, R dash minus R simplify panna enna varum, that is to subtract the 2. Okay, R minus R, sorry, R dash minus R po A cancel R dash minus R ma students. Subtract from the second and first. Okay, that is R dash minus R equal to B into, okay, A cancel, A minus A equal to 0. Okay, then B into Q minus Q dash. Okay, so R dash minus R is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so R dash is less than B and R is less than B. Okay, now here since the condition R lies between the interval 0 to B. Okay, so R dash minus R is greater than or equal to 0. So R dash is less than B and R is less than B. Okay, so R dash minus R is less than B. Okay, suppose Q is greater than Q dash. Okay, suppose Q is greater than Q dash, then Q minus Q dash is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, B into Q minus Q dash greater than or equal to B. Okay, that is just multiplied by B on both sides. Then B into Q minus Q dash is greater than B. We know that from the equation 3. Okay, equation 3 enappa R dash minus R equal to B into Q minus Q dash. Okay, so B into Q minus Q dash ingradhu enappa R dash minus R. So R dash minus R is greater than B. Okay, so this contradicts because R dash minus R is less than B. So Q is not is greater than Q dash. Hence Q is equal to Q dash and R minus R dash. Okay, hence the integer Q and R unique. Okay. Then let's see the example. Okay, example pata puriyuma. Okay, let's see the problems. Find the quotient and remainder when the first integer is divided by the second. Okay, find the quotient and remainder when the first integer is divided by the second. Okay, example 78, 11. Okay. Okay, all of you work out 78 and 11. Okay, find the quotient and remainder. Okay, can you say it, ma? Students, quotient and remainder work out பண்ணிட்டு சொல்றீங்களா? 78, 11. Tell me the answer. Question is 78, 11. Find the quotient and remainder for the number 78, 11. When the first integer is divided by the second. 78 by 11. Students, tell me the answer.
Quotient 7, remainder 1.
Okay, ma'am. Quotient 7 and remainder are equal to 1. Okay. Okay, ma. Uniqueness adoda condition enna ma? E is equal to, if quotient and remainder are unique, then A equal to BQ plus R. Substitute பண்ணி பாருங்க. Now here A is equal to A ங்கிறது என்னமா? அது ஒரு integer. Okay, then b ங்கிறது that is a positive integer. Okay வா, so a is equal to 78 first integer, then second integer b equal to 11, then quotient என்னப்பா, quotient 7 q is equal to 7 and r equal to remainder 1. Okay, now substitute in the uniqueness number, that is a equal to bq plus r. That is to prove that both sides are equal. Okay ba? Both sides equal வருதாமா, substitute பண்ணோம். a equal to 78, b equal to 11, q equal to 7 and r equal to 1. Then getting the answer, a equal to 78 appa, then b equal to 11 into quotient. Okay, that is all equal to 7 plus remainder 1. Okay, so 78 equal to 78. Okay, then one more example. Find the quotient and remainder when the first integer is divided by the second. Okay, that is minus 23 comma 5. Minus 23 comma 5. Answer என்னமா, quotient hello students, quotient என்னமா, q is equal to minus 5. Is it right ma? Hello students, hello students, what's the answer ma? Quotient is equal to q என்னப்பா வருது, the number minus 23 comma 5. q is equal to minus 5 and remainder r is equal to 2 வருதாமா? Let's go to the next domain, divide and mode operations. Okay, divide and mode operations. Okay. A divide b. Okay, a divide b, that is equal to quotient. Okay, a divide b, that is equal to quotient, and a mod b, that is equal to remainder. Okay, a divide b is equal to quotient and a mod b equal to remainder. Okay, when A is divided by B and when A is divided by B. Okay, mama. A divide B now, that is equal to, we getting the answer quotient. A mod B, that is equal to remainder. Okay, ரெண்டுமே normal தான், divide பண்ணனும். But A divide B ங்கிறப்போ இந்த quotient the answer. Okay, A mod B now, that is equal to remainder answer. Okay. Okay, now the problem. 23 divide 5. Okay, 23 divide 5. Tell me the answer. 23 divide 5. 23 divide 5. When A is divided by 20, that is the 23 divided by 5, that is equal to quotient answer. Okay, that is right now here quotient answer. Quotient enama
4.
4. Okay, so 23 divide 5 அப்படினா நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும், quotient answer எழுதணும். Okay, write the answer of quotient. Okay, now the second question. 23 mod 5. Normal method தான், divide பண்ணணும், but write the answer of remainder. Okay, twenty-three mod 5 na என்ன பண்ணணும், remainder answer. Remainder என்னப்பா 3. Okay, okay, one more question. Minus 23 divide 5. Minus 23 divide 5. Tell me the answer. Students, all of you would take. Minus 23 divide 5.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Good. Okay, that is the quotient. Minus 5. Okay. Minus 23 mod 5 ma. Minus 23 mod 5.
3.
Yeah, let's check pannu. 2. Yes ma. Okay, remainder, that is the remainder 2. Good. Okay, then one note. The equation A is equal to B cube plus R can be written as A by B, that is equal to Q plus R by B. Okay, then R by B, that is lies between the interval 0 to 1, 0 less than or equal to R by B less than 1. Okay, now consequently, that is now Q is equal to A by B. Okay, consider here Q is equal to A by B. So A is equal to, okay, A is equal to BQ plus R. Puridama? See the first equation. The equation A is equal to BQ plus R can be written as A by B, that is equal to Q plus R by B. Okay, so R is equal to A minus BQ. Okay, that is R take on the left side. Okay, then A take on the right side. Okay, A minus BQ, A minus B into, okay, we know that Q is equal to A by B. Okay, it is note important one. Okay, okay, the next topic, pigeonhole principle or Dirichlet box principle. Okay, pigeonhole principle or Dirichlet box principle. Okay, that is the statement of the principle. If m pigeons are assigned to n pigeonholes where m is greater than n, then at least 2 pigeons must occupy the same pigeonhole. Okay, it is the statement of the Dirichlet box principle. Okay, m pigeons are assigned to n pigeonholes. Okay, there is n pigeonholes where m is the greater than n. Okay, m is the pigeons, n is nothing but that is the pigeonholes. Okay, then at least 2 pigeons must occupy the same pigeonhole. Okay, if condition says m pigeons are assigned to n pigeonholes where m is greater than n. Okay, then proof is at least 2 pigeons must occupy the same pigeon hole. Okay, now the definition of the divisibility relation. Okay, suppose that r equal to 0 in the division algorithm, then a equal to b cube plus 0, that is equal to b cube. Okay, then we say then b divides a. Okay, mama, divisibility relation என்ன பாத்தீங்கன்னா, suppose that r equal to 0. Okay, we know that the condition என்னமா a equal to b cube plus r. Okay வா, division algorithm என்ன, that is a equal to b cube plus r. Now here suppose that r equal to 0 in the division algorithm, then a equal to b cube plus 0, that is equal to b cube. Okay, then we say then b divides a. Okay, then b is a factor of a. Okay, b is a factor of a, or a is multiple of b. Okay mama, b is a factor of a ன்னு சொல்லலாம், or a is a multiple of b. Okay, then we can write here, that is we write b. Okay, b is a factor of a. Okay, or b is a multiple of a. Okay, it is the symbol. Okay, b is factor of a. Okay, then a is divisible by b, or b is not factor of a. Okay, a is divisible by b, or b is not factor of a, then we write not divisible na enappa pannum, that is b is a not factor of a. It is the symbol of not factor. Okay mama, factor na b, that is the given a, b is not given a in the symbol. Okay mama, not factor, it is a factor. புரியுதாப்பா? divisibility algorithm, sorry, divisibility relation. Definition of the divisibility relation. Okay, that is put r equal to 0 in the division algorithm. Okay, a equal to b cube plus 0, that is a equal to b cube. Okay, then b is a factor of a na, b that is a factor of a, b is not factor of a na, b is not equal to, that is the not given a. Okay,
எத்த சவுல் வச்சோம் பேஸ் பண்ணு.
okay no, next one theorem problem.
பேங்க் வேஸ்ட்ல இந்த வேஸ்
Okay ma, in this topic do you have any doubt ma students? Students, there is any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will share you the notes. Okay, just to revise all. Okay. Notes எப்பயுமா குரூப்ல சென்ட் பண்ணிடுவா?
Okay ma'am.
குரூப்லயே போட்டுருங்க. ஓகேவாமா? எதுவும் பிரைவேட்டா குரூப் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
மேம் நீங்க அஃபிஷியல் குரூப்லயே போடுங்க மேம்.
அஃபிஷியல் குரூப்ல. ஓகே மேம். Next problem, let's see the next class. Okay, one minute no, attendance சொல்லுங்க.
It makes days so very, very nice.
Hey.
Okay, now, students, please answer attendance. Adilakshmi,
Present, ma'am.
Aarti, Aarti, Aarti absent amma. Binav,
Present,
Binav.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Abhishek, Abhishek, Adikeshavan,
Present, ma'am.
Akshaya, Saya, Usasri. Students, please answer attendance. Antony,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Aravindan, Aravindan, Archana,
Present, ma'am.
C. Archana,
Present, ma'am.
Arun Kumar.
Ma'am, Archana C. Present.
Okay, ma'am. Arun Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Aravind,
Present, ma'am.
Vamsi, Vamsi, Vamsi Krishna Reddy, Benny Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Geeta, Geeta,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Charmadi, Charmadi, Tarun, Tarun, Chandru,
Present, ma'am.
Danush, A. Danush, U. Danush,
You, Dhanush, present, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Divya,
Present, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Dinesh,
Present, ma'am.
Godson, Godson,